What's up, guys? It's Eric and I'm here to teach you the Trucker Hitch. This is the Super Bomber Trucker Hitch. It's the automatic Trucker Hitch, so it's got a little bit of a extra feature to it, and I'm going to teach you that now. What we're trying to accomplish is the same thing as a wrap system where you can ratchet down your material, and if you don't have one of these, all you need is a rope. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with our anchor knot. You can do a lot of different knots for your anchor knot. I use the half slip hitch. It's a horse knot. You can use it to tie up a horse. There's many hitching a horse to something knots. This is one of them, and I've never had it fail on me. So start off here on the other side of our load, and I'm going to go underneath, and I simply pass our tail around, and I just kind of turn it, and I'm going to tuck it through like so. I'm going to tuck a bite through just like that and kind of tighten it, and now it's a slip knot, and you can pull it tight like so, and this will not come out. It's just an absolute bomber knot, and sometimes smart horses can pull on the quick release, so we'll tuck that through, and there you go. So let's throw our rope around the other side and meet me on the other side. Okay, we're on the other side now. We're gonna run it around this very awkward angle iron. So I'm gonna go underneath this side, and I'm gonna throw our running end over there. We don't need it right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go up to the top part of the load, and I'm just going to grab a bite, like so. And then I take my two fingers through, wrap around and pinch them together, and then just wrap this around. You get these two loops, okay? Then you're gonna grab another bite just like that with this hand, pull it up a little bit, and this side is gonna tuck through there, and then I'm gonna grab onto this loop. This is the important one we're gonna be tugging on. This one here is just gonna keep this knot. This is a cow hitch, I think. You can see how tight it is. So this is what we're going to be running our rope through. So you take your running end, you're going to pass it through once, and again around, pass it through the same way you did. And this is the magic of this knot. As I'm going to pull on this, it's going to get trapped underneath this one. Zoom in here. Let's see what this does. Pull it down, and look, we do not lose when I release. We don't lose any tension, and that's the magic of this knot. You can crank it down super tight, okay? Or you can also add a pin to give yourself some extra strength in pulling it down. And you get it really tight, okay? Next, we'll loosen that up a little bit. Now all we have to do is a slip hitch to lock this. So we're going to go around, just grab a loop. I'm not going around this one. I'm just going around these three here that are involved in this loop. Okay, this guy's not in the loop. He's out of the loop. He doesn't know what's going on, right? We take our loop, we go through and around these three, and I pull it toward the top, and you lock it in, and you can pull out some more tail and then do it again. We're going to go around those three again and up like so, and tighten it in. And that's pretty much it. Any tail that you have left over, so you don't want it flapping around, you can just keep doing a little half hitch if you want, and that'll keep it from flapping. Now to release it, super easy. You have to release your two locking knots, your half hitches here. Tuck that guy through. Some knots, I don't know, they might get real tight, and you have to throw this guy through that way, but you really don't. Watch this. You just go like that, and it just loosens. Pretty magical. And it's really easy to unlock. Now watch this. The whole thing's easy to unlock, because this weird thing is super easy to pull out. You just go like so, and then you go around the other side to unlock the other side. our half hitch. Just take out your smart horse safety and just simply pull it out. Easy peasy. Let's do this fast, okay? Rapid fashion. Let's get our anchor knot in. I'm gonna go straight around this time, right? Give yourself enough tail so you can make your loop. Kind of, you're just going right through there. Just the bite. And then it just cinches down. You kind of squeeze your knot together. Get it nice. If you're just hauling stuff from Home Depot, a horse is not going to pull that out. You're probably fine. Okay, throw it to the other side. And then back over, go underneath. Throw that tail away. We'll get these other ropes out of the way. Okay, so up toward the top of your load, you grab yourself. Actually, let's go under here. I don't want to break this nice garbage can. You go under again. Grab this, poke your fingers through, pinch them, pull up that little loop, grab your loop here, tuck that through, this loop, that's the one we'll be pulling against, and simply go like so. And you can scooch this up a little bit too, and pull like that. And then you take your tail, your running end, down and around, up through again. This is a shorter rope, we don't have much left. Look at this, okay? And it's blocked. And then the three that are involved with this loop, you want to lock those off with a half hitch. Like so. Okay, and that is pretty bomber. That'll get you from Home Depot to home. Unleash the Kraken! And you simply pull it. Voila! The Trucker Hitch. My version. I hope you liked the video. See you next time.